Today I'm going to show you 3 amazing ways how to make whiskey sour. Hi guys, my name is Istis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. And the first version of our whiskey sour today is going to be a very classic one with a bit of my twist. We will need a glass, something like a raw glass or something like, I don't know how to call this glass, but I call it like kind of rock glass. And we are going to shake this cocktail to show how much energy we do have. Everything is very simple. Whiskey sour is one of the basic cocktails that has the same powers as all sour cocktails. So it has spirit, and this time we are going to have whiskey. Actually, I'm going to use bourbon because whiskey sour traditionally is made by using bourbon, but it's still whiskey. So the spirit is a whiskey, then we have a sour part as lemon juice and the sweet part as sugar syrup. So technically it's a sour and it belongs to sour category. And now we are going to make a classic version of it. So the first ingredient is my mentioned bourbon, and I'm going to use 2 ounces of the bourbon. Second ingredient is lemon juice. I'm going to use a fresh lemon juice, and I'm going to use double less when I use spirit, so I'm going to use 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. One ounce. And one more ingredient, I'm going to use 2:1 ratio sugar syrup. And if you want to see how to make sugar syrup, even it's very easy, but you still can check it out right here in this link. And I'm going to use 2/3 of an ounce of 2:1 ratio sugar syrup. And one more ingredient. Traditionally, whiskey sour could go with egg white. Could go or could not go. It depends how bartender makes it, or it depends how the patron wants it. But I'm not using egg white because I believe that if you are not rocky, you don't need to consume raw eggs. So I'm using aquafaba chickpea water. It gives me nicer foam, at least it's what I noticed, and it's much safer as it's not animal product. I'm going to use around 2/3 of an ounce of it. Of course, passion, love, energy, everything goes inside the shaker and ice. And we're going to show our energy to the cocktail like that. I call it bartender's dance, full of love, energy, passion. Look, amazing foam, and I'm going to strain everything into the glass. Just put some ice into it before. And traditionally, whiskey sour is garnished by half lemon wheel and maraschino cherry, but I'm going to garnish it with lemon peel. I always do it by the cocktail because it already gets all the essential oils from the cutting it, and of course some more essential oils on the cocktail, aromatizing the rim, making a spiral, and putting it on the edge. If you want, you can put maraschino cherry on a stick or just inside, but I believe The classic should stay simple, so it's enough, just lemon peel. Cheers, guys. And for second hour version of whiskey sour today, I'm going to use my infusion of bourbon, which I made with cardamom and black figs. And if you want to see how to make this amazing infusion, you can check this link, because it's really a great combination and you should try it and you will be amazed how tasty cocktails are. So I'm going to make this whiskey sour with this infusion, and I'm going to use this coupe glass to serve the cocktail. And when we are using this type of glass, we usually have to chill it. So I put full of ice and I'm going to stir a bit and leave it aside to chill. Now we are going to make everything in the shaker. Everything is really simple because the recipe is basically the same as the previous one, as the classic one. We are going to use 2 ounces of infused bourbon, we are going to use 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and we are going to use 2/3 of an ounce of 2-to-1 sugar syrup. Okay, I'm going to free pour it. And again, chickpea water instead of egg white. Two-thirds of an ounce. And this infusion is really amazing. You should try it because it's mind-blowing. For me, I can't drink bourbon after trying this infusion because this infusion really kills everything. And shaker full of ice. Color, show, time. I got the moment. So good. Cardamom and figs with bourbon. Alright, let's discharge the ice. Strainer. And let's drain the cocktail. Whew. Last drop. Every last drop. And you see the color is a little bit different because of the figs. It's reddish. It looks amazing. I don't know if camera can show the exact view what I see, but the cocktail looks amazing. And for the garnish, we are going to do very simple. It's dry dehydrated wheel of lemon in top of the cocktail. Cheers, guys! And the third version of our whiskey sour today, it's called New York Sour, and New York Sour is actually a whiskey sour with a float of a little bit of red wine on the top. Just I'm going to make my twist. I'm going to use grape kombucha instead of red wine, so it will be a little bit different cocktail, but it will taste amazing. And I'm going to use like a raw glass. Everything is going to be shaken. And the first ingredient is bourbon. You know, formula is the same. It's 2 ounces of good bourbon, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 2/3 of 2-to-1 sugar syrup, a bit of aqua faba, 2/3 as well, a lot of ice, and a good shake. I know, love, passion, and energy. Let's do it. salt, we do everything. And let's strain. Some ice. A bit left in here. Extra. Sometimes when I have some cocktail left in the shaker, I give it in the shot for the customers. Some of them like that. And New York Sour. It's a float of wine on top, but we are going to make it with grape kombucha. Just a float, around ½ ounce. Maybe to an ounce. I have a spillage here. My bar is a little bit angled. It's okay, no problem. So our New York Sour is ready. You see, it's two colors. The kombucha got a little bit deeper than wine because wine floats on the top, but it's still two nice colors. It looks nice, and believe me, it tastes magnificent. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it informative because I really tried to share all my experience with you, all the cocktails I tried to my 12 years career, and I want to share all my knowledge with you. Please let me know in the comments below what would you like to know about cocktails, doing bartending, or anything connected to bartending, cocktails, and hospitality industry in general. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, it really helps me and I see your support. I'm really more motivated to create a better content, and please like this video, share with your friends, and I love you very much and thank you for any support that you can give me, and I'll see you in next video.